So, hey guys, we're going to play the Horror Mansion. Say hi to Vlog. Yeah, she's now the killer. I can be loud as I want in my vlog. Season 2 on that's no fair. Werewolf. Well, I love this. But I'm not a big fan. I just love the Noob X, the Noob, the Doge, and the 106. Except for this, I just like it. Not. If you see red things, that means it's following you. Oh, I did not. I see him! This was eyes. That's white. It was red. Yeah, it was red. No one survived for. Wait, I'm gonna survive because I didn't even die yet. But I died on you a million times. You just gotta watch TikTok, huh? You're gonna lose some points, huh? I remember there was a VIP thing right here.
Yeah, I know, you remember?
Yeah. But not anymore. Also, I know your secret that I played the Michael Jackson show. Sorry for breaking your ears. But he takes low damage. So you want to see my sister's skin on Roblox? There she is. She is watching TikTok. Oh. So thanks for playing. We're gonna play something else. Bye. This is not the end of the vlog. We're just playing something else. So guys, we're gonna play a different game. Say bye. Say bye. Just say bye.
Bye.
So now we're gonna play something else. Yeah, because I was a baby. So guys, so we're gonna play Explore, my sister's game. The game called Explore. You made that. So I'm gonna play that because it looks like the guy that I hate. The guy is called.
You're not here yet.
I know. So I'm just gonna play, guys. Just kidding. I'm not gonna. I'm just playing.
I'm gonna get some more water. Don't control my vlog. Cannot.
Hi guys. I'm done. Oh, what happened? Yes. So guys, we're just gonna play this. Click to interact. Freeform. Ow! Hit me with a pillow. So we're gonna play the. Ow! Ooh. Ganda. Very mature. Ooh. crafting. Well, let's crash in that one. Ha! That was fun. If you want to play this game, search Cheese Up to NF, and it will put Explore. Okay? If you want to try it yourself. Who's that? Oh, that's the one, right? Yeah. Can I dance in this game? No. Why do I have 3 multiplies? I want some. So guys, we're just gonna do try not to laugh challenge. Try not to laugh challenge on YouTube. You know what? That's going to be on the next vlog. Peace out, and stay tuned for the other vlog.